Humans have always been captivated by their own beginnings. Where did we come from? What makes us human? These questions have echoed through millennia, driving us to explore our past. In recent decades, the field of paleoanthropology has experienced a revolution thanks to groundbreaking advances in genetic analysis. We can now peer into the DNA of our ancestors, extracting fragments of information from ancient bones and teeth. This has led to a startling revelation. The human story is far more complex and more intriguing than we ever imagined. We are not simply descended from a single isolated lineage. Instead, our past is marked by interbreeding, by genetic exchange between different hominin groups. This means that many of us, perhaps all of us, carry within us the echoes of these ancient encounters, the legacy of hybridity. The discovery of Neanderthal and Denisovan DNA in modern humans has shattered this paradigm. It suggests a past where different human groups, once separated by vast distances and environmental barriers, met, interacted, and ultimately interbred. The discovery of Neanderthal DNA in modern human genomes changed our view of human evolution. Neanderthals were not a separate branch, but our distant relatives. Our ancestors interbred with them, leaving a genetic mark. Most modern humans carry a small percentage of Neanderthal DNA. This affects our health and well-being. Denisovans were identified through DNA from a Siberian cave. They also interbred with our ancestors. Denisovan ancestry is found in Melanesian, Aboriginal, Australian, and Polynesian people. These events likely occurred in Southeast Asia. This discovery has altered our understanding of human evolution. It reveals a complex and interconnected past. In 2018, a remarkable discovery provided further evidence of the interconnectedness of our ancient ancestors. Scientists announced the finding of a bone fragment in a Siberian cave that belonged to a young female hominin. This individual, nicknamed Deni, lived around 90,000 years ago and was extraordinary for one reason. She was a direct offspring of a Neanderthal mother and a Denisovan father. This finding marked the first time scientists had identified a first-generation hybrid of two different ancient human groups. The discovery of Deni provided irrefutable proof that interbreeding between different hominin groups was not merely a rare occurrence, but a significant factor in our evolutionary history. Deni's genome offered a unique glimpse into the genetic makeup of both Neanderthals and Denisovans. By comparing her DNA to that of modern humans, scientists gained valuable insights into the genetic contributions of these ancient groups to our own species. The discovery of widespread interbreeding between different hominin groups raises a crucial question. Why did it happen? What drove our ancestors to mate with individuals from different and perhaps even competing groups? One possibility is that interbreeding was simply a matter of opportunity. As different hominin groups migrated and expanded their territories, they inevitably encountered each other. These encounters, driven by proximity and perhaps even necessity, may have led to interbreeding. When different populations with distinct genetic makeups interbreed, their offspring inherit a mixture of genes from both parental lines. This genetic diversity can be beneficial as it increases the chances that at least some individuals within a population will possess traits that allow them to adapt to changing environments or resist diseases. For example, interbreeding with Neanderthals is thought to have provided early modern humans with beneficial gene variants related to immune function and adaptation to colder climates. Furthermore, interbreeding may have played a crucial role in the transmission of cultural knowledge and technologies. This exchange of knowledge and skills could have been highly advantageous, allowing groups to adapt more quickly to new environments and challenges. Section 5. Hybridity's ethical maze, rethinking our definitions of human. The discovery of widespread interbreeding challenges our notions of what it means to be human. Traditionally, species were defined by reproductive isolation. Evidence from Neanderthals and Denisovans suggests this is overly simplistic. If our ancestors interbred with other hominins, where do we draw the line? Does Neanderthal DNA in our genomes challenge our identity? Some argue human purity is a social construct. Human evolution has always involved gene flow and admixture. This emphasizes our shared ancestry and interconnectedness. Our hybrid past compels us to reevaluate what it means to be human. Section 6. Echoes of the past, interbreeding and modern human diversity. The genetic legacy of interbreeding is not confined to the distant past, but continues to shape us today. The traces of Neanderthal and Denisovan DNA present in modern human genomes have tangible consequences for our biology, influencing our health, appearance, and even our behavior. For instance, studies have linked certain Neanderthal gene variants to differences in immune response, metabolism, and even our susceptibility to certain diseases. In some cases, these ancient genes may confer an advantage, while in others, they may increase our risk of developing certain conditions. Emerging research suggests that Neanderthal and Denisovan DNA may also play a subtle yet significant role in shaping our behavior and cognition. For example, some studies have linked specific Neanderthal gene variants to differences in sleep patterns, mood regulation, and even our predisposition to certain personality traits. The impact of interbreeding on modern human diversity is a testament to the enduring legacy of our ancient past. Section 7. The future of hybridity, genetic engineering, and the ethics of design. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of our genome and unlock the secrets of genetic engineering, we are confronted with a new frontier in the story of hybridity, one that we ourselves have the power to shape. With technologies like CRISPR-Cas9, we can now edit DNA with unprecedented precision, opening up possibilities that were once confined to science fiction. This raises profound ethical and philosophical questions about the future of our species and the limits of genetic manipulation. Imagine a future where we could selectively introduce beneficial genes from Neanderthals or Denisovans into the human genome, potentially enhancing our immune systems or allowing us to adapt to harsh environments. While this might seem like a tantalizing prospect, it also raises concerns about unintended consequences and the potential for exacerbating existing social inequalities. The future of hybridity is now in our hands, and it is our responsibility to wield this power responsibly, ensuring that it benefits all of humanity and does not exacerbate existing inequalities or undermine the fundamental dignity of all people. Section 8. A tapestry of ancestry interconnectedness in the human story. The unfolding narrative of human evolution, with its twists and turns of interbreeding and hybridity, compels us to reconsider our place in the grand tapestry of life on Earth. We are not isolated entities, separate and distinct from the rest of the natural world. Instead, our story is one of interconnectedness, a testament to the power of exchange and the enduring legacy of our shared ancestry. Every one of us carries within us the echoes of countless generations past, a genetic inheritance shaped by migrations, encounters, and the mingling of lineages. The Neanderthals and Denisovans, once perceived as evolutionary dead ends, are now recognized as integral characters in our own story. Their genes flow through our veins, a testament to the interconnectedness of all humans, past and present. Embracing this perspective challenges us to move beyond simplistic notions of us and them, recognizing that our differences are superficial compared to the profound unity that binds us together as a species. Section 9. Conclusion: the enduring mystery of being human. The quest to unravel the mysteries of our origins is a journey that continues to captivate and challenge us. With each new discovery, we gain a clearer yet more intricate picture of our past, revealing a story far more complex and awe-inspiring than we could have ever imagined. The realization that our ancestors interbred with other hominin groups, leaving a lasting legacy in our genomes, has profoundly reshaped our understanding of human evolution. It has shattered the illusion of linear progression and revealed a tapestry woven from countless threads of migration, encounter, and genetic exchange. As we grapple with the implications of our hybrid past, we are forced to confront deeply ingrained notions about what it means to be human. The traditional definition of species, based on reproductive isolation, crumbles in the face of evidence revealing a more fluid and interconnected reality. The quest to understand our origins is ultimately a quest to understand ourselves, compelling us to confront our past, embrace our present diversity, and shape a future where we celebrate our shared heritage while navigating the ethical complexities of emerging technologies.